71. How are the reds ahead? Good.
Ascend our citation 823, Charlie Bravo, associate level, flight level 230.
53 Charlie Bravo, Denver Center, maintain 390, zero normal speed.
Up to 390 for 8.
Don't think I could forgive you.
I never knew anybody till I knew you. I never knew anybody till I knew you. I know when it rains or it pours. I know I was born to be yours. I never knew anybody till I knew you.
Alright, so we're level at flight level 230. We've got an amazing tailwind right here, 91 knots. And our ground speed is doing great. We're en route to Kansas City.
American 1392, your clear direct to Ziggy. Then direct to Bravo Golf Delta. Then direct to Madonna for the Victory 2.
Are you the only one lost in the millions? Or are you my grain of sand that's blowing in the wind? I never knew anybody till I knew you. I never knew anybody till I knew you. I know when it rains or it pours. I know I was born to be yours. I never knew anybody till I knew you. I never knew anybody till I knew you. I know when it rains or it pours. I know I was born to be yours. But in that moment you made me believe. You give me freedom, freedom, freedom I've been looking for. Freedom, freedom is you. You give me freedom, freedom, freedom I've been looking for. Freedom, freedom is you. You give me freedom, freedom. You give me freedom I've been looking for. You give me freedom,
Dude, you did amazing. That was awesome. We broke out at 1500. So we broke out 500. Yeah, we were close to it.
Yeah, we were.
give me something that I can hold on to. A little light when I'm down on my knees.
Nothing's ever what we expect, but they keep asking where we're going next. All we're chasing is the sunset. Got my mind on you. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter, no. If there's a moment when it's perfect, we'll carve our names as the sun goes down. Hey, as the sun goes down. Hey, as the sun goes down. But they keep asking where we're going next.